Alright guys, you're looking at a single cap custom that we just had made for a customer. This one here is solid 10K gold. Check that out, that's the back side. Stamp right there, 10K. You can choose which tooth you want it on, that's up to you. You choose it from the teeth chart on the website. Real gold, 10K. Custom fitted, handmade, fit you perfectly, nice and snug, just like on this mold. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Check us out online, blingcartel.com, and as always, y'all have a good one.